So now we can make this clickable. So you see how you can make your card be clickable. So here in the modifier, we have a property called clickable. And here we can make a log. Let's do a log D, okay? Call tag. And every time you click, what is happening here is that we're calling this, that will appear in your logcat. What is happening here? So you can type tag here, like here. And every time you click in your card, it's supposed to this message circle shape clickage appear here for us, so we know that it's working. Before that, let's make a proper preview here, so you can create a a preview function here. So you can be a composable, and we can call that fun circle shape preview, like that. And we always want to wrap our function and our theme. So this is called intro, is normally the name of your project followed by theme. So intro to compose theme, and here we call a function that this one circle shape. So we can just call circle shape here, and we'll be able to see our circle shape here. We can make our background like true aqui. No background true, and we can see how it would be in our application. The cards, we also have this elevation here. So after your shape, you have this elevation that expects a card default card elevation, so you can define the elevation here. So you can see that we have any shadow here, so you can add a little bit of this too. So after here, we can say elevation, card default, elevation, card elevation. In here, we can pass the elevation inside this. Let's pass for DP, and you can see that now you can see a shadow on this. So you can pass the value you want, and you can do as I did. You can hover the mouse here, you see what things you can add a body stroke if you want, and you can see what you can change with this. So we can run a preview like this, so you can run and see how it's going. You can click and everything. So let's do this now. So here's a circle shape. I think we can add some padding for this. So the modifier, cause you see it's cutting the shadow here. So probably we can add a padding here, a little padding like 10 dp for all of them, and we can see if it's work. Okay, it's better. And if you see your logcat now, we're supposed to see when you click circle shape click, that's what we're doing here. So now you have a proper preview and you have a clickable card. I will be calling this circle shape here and your main activity, so we can put this inside a box, and this we can put the circle in the center. So here in your theme you have in scaffold, in your paddings, we're supposed to call a box here. So you can do as a toad, you can call circle shape here. Let's import this one, and this is the one. So here we can pass a modifier, let's see my modifier, and we can, if you max size no, we can just do padding, oops, like this. And here we can pass this inner padding, so She knows that we have this bar here, you can see, but it's uh, it's in the front of our circle. So with the Stode, we can help pass fill max size we already have here, but I think we can pass for whole box too. So let's just do this, fill max size, so we can get the our screen, and let's see how it's now. So let's run our app, and we should see the circle in the middle of the screen, and when you click, it's supposed to work now. I don't pass the alignment here, so it's the Y. We can see the circle in the middle. So content alignment, alignment center. So now it's supposed to be in the center. So there you are. Let's close this. I will tag here, so every time you click, you can see. Now we have a circular, click it in the center, and every time you click, you can see it's printing our message here.